The workshop, organized by the National Building Review Board, brought together building control officers BCOs and physical planners PPs across the country at Lakeview Hotel, Mbarara City. This aimed at fully exposing all BCOs and PPs to the workflow process that is harmonizing development and building control operations and processes in local governments. In her address, the head of the State House Investors Protection Unit, Colonel Edith Nakalema, tasked the National Building Review Board to make good use of their building industry management system to overcome unnecessary bureaucracy and eliminate wrong elements from the construction sector. She assured the BCOs and physical planners of a strategic partnership to ensure a conducive environment for investors in the construction.
Underlying question that has resurfaced during this training revolves around the most robust architecture for enforcing compliance of standards. How can we exploit technology to expedite the building control process at local government level in a way that balances expectations, public expectations, or citizens' expectations, compliance, and enforcement? Automating systems is the only way that is going to help us at least limit unnecessary bureaucracies, but also to eliminate wrong elements that exploit physical interaction to ask for bribes.
Colonel Nakalema highlighted key concerns raised by Ugandans against the physical planners and BCOs, saying the concerns have emerged consistently across engagements, sector dialogues and member consultations.
These are complaints or concerns that keep rising from local and foreign investors. Number one is delayed project completion. There is also a complaint of mismanagement on the side of builders and contractors, mismanagement of materials. Now, on that, again, there is a complaint of the use of substandard materials as well as duplicated ones.
She pointed out delayed project completion, which is caused by delayed payment from clients, poor planning and mismanagement on the side of builders and contractors, noting that the unfair procurement practices such as lack of transparency in tendering processes are also a matter of concern. The Executive Secretary of the National Building Review Board, Engineer Flavia Gutowire, thanked the building control officers and physical planners for committing to improve the quality of infrastructure in Uganda. On the issue of delays in building plans approval, Engineer Gutowire said they now have an automated system that expedites the process.
You've severally raised it with me that investors are frustrated. And everything we try to do at the board is to ensure that our investors are not frustrated. As he said, they pay our salaries. So if we frustrate them and they don't pay taxes, that means we'll also not earn salary. So we depend on each other.
The chairperson of the building control officers, Mr. Dennis Sekito, who presented the resolutions of the officers, revealed that they have resolved to work hand in hand with physical planners in sensitizing the communities on building contract.
In hand with National Building Review Board, in view of having positions of BCOs included onto the customized local government structures for smoothening works related to building control activities, to work with district budget desks in view of financing building control activities.
There is a lot of laxity in supervising construction sites. When these construction sites are being done, you rarely see the engineers coming to the ground. I have to tell you the truth. You don't really go to the construction sites to see what is taking place.
John Baptista Hunza, Church of Uganda, from the TV News at 8.